The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia classic concept is a modern homage sculpted with reverence, engineered with precision, and finished with a level of detail that respects its lineage without becoming trapped in nostalgia. Volkswagen's 2026 interpretation does not attempt to reinvent the icon. It restores its spirit, elevates its stance, and translates its timeless coach-built elegance into a future where classic beauty coexists with silent powertrains and digital craftsmanship. The exterior finish in 2026 receives a deep, glass-smooth Lotos White Pearl coat with micrometallic warmth, designed to capture both sunlight and evening reflections like a polished grand piano. Lighting is the most poetic evolution. The front headlamps remain round, but within them lives a ring of warm-tone adaptive LED halos that glow with analog softness and engineered candlelight. Instead of a full light bar trend, Volkswagen integrates a thin illuminated VW emblem on the nose that pulses gently at startup, a quiet nod to electrification without stealing the show. At the rear, dual round lamps mirror the front but are linked by a faint underglass light strip embedded beneath the decklit crease, nearly invisible until lit. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Classic Performance Powertrain is a masterful engineering homage, designed to capture the romance of Volkswagen's rear-engine heritage while delivering the reliability, refinement, and usable performance expected of a modern classic. At the heart of the system sits a newly developed 2.0-liter horizontally opposed four-cylinder engine mounted behind the rear axle. Variable valve timing and lift further broaden the power band. Peak output reaches 180 horsepower at 6,500 revolutions per minute and 205 Nm of torque at 3,800 revolutions per minute, tuned deliberately to avoid excessive figures that could dilute the character of a classic chassis. Instead, the calibration focuses on immediacy, linear pull, and emotional feedback rather than outright speed. The cabin blends mid-century romance with 2026 minimalism. Seats are quilt-stitched Bordeaux leather with cream piping, soft but structured, mounted low to preserve the concept's intimate driving posture. The steering wheel is a two-spoke classic design wrapped in leather with a slim touch-sensitive interface hidden beneath the surface. There are no floating tablets. Instead, a retro-styled horizontal instrument binnacle houses a curved OLED cluster masked behind smoked glass, displaying essential driving data with vintage typography. The 2026 Volkswagen Karmann Ghia Classic concept is not a car built to chase attention. It is built to earn affection. It does not scream the future. It smiles at it, warmly, through timeless round headlamps in a shape the world fell in love with once and will again.